Hello all, welcome to day 8 of our exciting AI journey. So, hi, I am Akshat Goyal. Today we are going to discuss what is machine learning and the difference between supervised learning versus unsupervised learning versus reinforcement learning. So, let us go ahead.
AI Content Challenge. What is machine learning? Supervised versus unsupervised versus reinforcement learning. Machine learning, ML, is a key branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. It's the force behind Google Search, ChatGPT, self-driving cars, fraud detection, and personalized recommendations on platforms like Netflix and Amazon today. Let's explore the three main types of ML: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning.
What is machine learning? So, basically, it allows systems to recognize patterns, analyze data, and make decisions without any human intervention. It learns based on experience and improves the outcome. Now, there are three types of machine learning known today, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So let us draw the differences between these three. So what is supervised learning? Which learns from label data. It is like we teach from a textbook with correct answers. So first is spam detection. So detecting spam emails. Second is price prediction, predicting stock prices based on past trends. Now, there's one more is you can say anomaly detection. Sorry, it is face recognition. Anomaly detection is an unsupervised learning example. When we talk about face recognition, it is using supervised learning to for image recognition among different photos. So basically, supervised learning, we are going to train inputs and outputs using the labeled data. So suppose you have data like cat and dogs, so you can train them for face recognition algorithm. And if you have data of stock price over the years, we can use it for stock price prediction. Now let us see what is unsupervised learning. So which is trained over unlabeled data. It's like finding patterns in a puzzle without any labeled answers. So basically it is trained over unlabeled outputs to predict patterns, to find patterns and predict outcomes in an unknown situation. What are different examples of unsupervised learning? Yeah, so basically it is used for recommendation systems for similar results or recommendations in Netflix or Spotify. So everyone might have watched Netflix for watching movies. Second is customer segmentation. So while we talk about customer segmentation in e-commerce, it is widely used. So grouping customers based on their shopping shopping data or any other characteristics. So based on requirement, we can use different type of data for this. And third is anomaly detection. Or you can call it as fraud detection in banking and government, which is widely used in banking. So now let us talk about reinforcement learning. So what is this like? This is like training a dog and punishing him on making mistakes and giving him rewards on committing an error, doing or committing an error. So basically, it is trained without any data based on trials and errors, rewards and penalties in response to trials and errors. Now we will work about the different examples of reinforcement learning. So one of the big examples is self-driving cars. So when we talk about self-driving cars, in India we are not allowed to use self-driving cars right now, but in USA or other part of Europe we have self-driving cars, and reinforcement learning is used for navigation of cars on roads. So basically this will train the car software to have a safe drive on the road. Second is game AIs, like we have chess players, we have AlphaGo. So basically it helps in making strategies with help of trial and error. Now third is robots, you can say. So basically robots are trained to behave like humans or for particular task using reinforcement learning. So basically you've understood all three: supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So you can go through some more articles if you want on these. There are different applications of machine learning, and so do put in comments which part of machine learning you are interested in and you want to go for the research. So okay, thank you, bye bye. Hi all, today we have covered day 8, that is what is machine learning and what is the difference between supervised learning versus unsupervised learning versus reinforcement learning. Next we'll be going to day 9, that is regression versus classification, understanding the differences between ML problem types. And so do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, put the notifications on so that you don't miss any of the content. So keep learning, let us learn AI together. Bye bye.